So, dito kami sa ilog. Naghahanap kami ng maliliguan. And look what we found. There's no water. Hopefully doon banda meron. Wala pa rin kami nakikitang tubig. Usually kapag umuulan, may tubig talaga dito. Malaki. So, I'm going somewhere. I'm hoping meron doon. So, pupuntahan ko and I'm gonna call them. If not, I don't know, maybe we're gonna go back. So, wish me luck. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh shit. So, tapos lang na maligo and pauwi na kami.